This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Budez Cr Capsule is an important medication for managing conditions like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. It contains budesonide, a corticosteroid effective in reducing inflammation. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management of ulcerative colitis, which is an inflammatory bowel disease that causes inflammation of the colon and rectum, Crohn's disease that can affect any part of the gastrointestinal tract, and microscopic colitis, a condition diagnosed only through microscopic examination that leads to chronic diarrhea and abdominal discomfort. How it works. Budesonide works by suppressing the immune response and blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, thereby controlling inflammation in the bowel. Directions for use. Always take this medication as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Swallow the capsule whole with a glass of water, do not crush or chew it. The dosage and duration will depend on your specific health condition and response to treatment. It is crucial not to stop taking this medication abruptly without consulting your doctor, as this may result in adverse effects. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include headaches, stomach pain, muscle pain, and mood swings. Serious side effects require immediate medical attention. Precautions and warnings. Before starting this medication, inform your doctor if you have a history of infections, liver or kidney issues, diabetes, or any other significant medical condition. Caution is advised for pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as those with a history of mental health issues. FAQs. 1. Can I stop taking this medication once my symptoms improve? No, always consult your doctor before stopping. 2. Is it safe for children? This medication is not recommended for individuals under 18 years. 3. Can this cause dizziness? Yes, dizziness is a common side effect. Rest and avoid driving if affected. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.